Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host, Shazib, signing in. Is Quant Network challenging XRP? This is the question we're going to try and unpack in this video, so make sure to stay tuned till the end as we're going to come up with some conclusive remarks. For those of you who are new to the channel, we basically primarily discuss utility coins, ISO20022 coins, and the ones who have the potential to become ISO20022, as well as some other interesting coins as well. So if you're interested in them, subscribe for regular videos. So first and foremost, let us begin with this article which gave me the idea to make this video. I saw this article where it was written that the title was Ripple Rival Quant up 7% as Bank of England CBDC partnership unveiled. This was published, it is a bit old. I had read it way back. I came up to this recently as well to check out what Quant is up to. So in this article, it is written Ripple's dominance shaken as Quant partners with Bank of England. So the question we're going to try and unpack is whether Ripple's dominance is shaken by the partnership of Quant with Bank of England with the project Rosalind, the CBDC coin project, which they're testing, the Bank of England. So we are going to try and unpack this. So before we do that, let us look at the price of Quant, just skim it out. Basically, one Quant is priced at around $91.07 at the moment. It was consolidating since 2022 around $100, 100, 110, 115. It went all the way back up above to 177. This was the range that it was trading around. It broke the support. Now, in my opinion, not financial advice, but it may come to test this level of 0.83, I guess, around here. Sorry, not 0.83, 82 to $83 or $80. Let's see what happens. As for the price of XRP, it is priced at around 0.5104. With the good news against SEC, it rallied up towards 0.8206, and it has since dipped down, and it is in this crucial price zone of 0.50, which it has tested time and again, as you can see. So anyways, guys, let us look at what what Quant is basically working for in CBDC realm. Will Quant develop a digital pound and CBDCs, and whether it is a challenge to XRP, the Bank of England partnership, or not? Quant could become one of the most valuable DeFi tokens because the team behind it is working on a central bank digital currency CBDC with the Bank of England. Hence, Quant could help the old lady of Threadneedle Street create a digital pound, an official CBDC for the United Kingdom. In addition to a digital pound, the Quant team is also working on CBDCs with the Bank of International Settlements, BIS. The BIS is an international cartel of central banks that supports central banks with technology and other resources. The goal of the BIS is to promote and spread monetary and financial stability. The BIS calls itself a bank for central banks. Among other things, BIS develops new technology for central banks. The BIS has several CBDC development efforts underway in different parts of the world. So being associated with BIS is huge for Quant. Quant working on CBDC connectivity. Quant was part of the vendor team for Project Rosalind. Project Rosalind was the BIS and the Bank of England's effort to develop and test CBDC payments technology. Importantly, they ran Project Rosalind through the BIS Innovation London Hub Center. Specifically, Rosalind was developing application programming interfaces, APIs for CBDCs. Anyways, hence, Rosalind is developing the means for CBDCs to interface with banking and financial technology. Can Quant make money from tokenization? Quant's role is the tokenization of assets such as currencies for financial institution enterprises. Quant wants to help central bank create CBDCs and programmable money. Although Quant is working with Bank of England BSs, which is impressive. However, I see no evidence Quant has any tokenized assets other than its own cryptocurrency. So this is the platform of Quant over Ledger, Quant is developing Overledger, a low-code API that will serve as a gateway to the blockchain for financial institutions. Uses for Overledger include asset tokenization and support for cryptocurrencies. They claim Overledger supports chain-agnostic smart contracts. It has interoperability integrated in it. A smart contract is a digital robot. Anyways, you know what smart contract is. I would not test you guys' intelligence regarding that. Overledger will be one of many platforms Quant wants to build for financial institutions, hence Quant is an infrastructure company. Quant and cross-border payments, yes, this is an important piece I want to show you guys. Products Quant plans include cross-border payment systems. So is it integrating with, it is overlapping with the Ripple's cross payment structure, and is it challenging that structure or not? This is also we were going to talk about it in a while, including LACchain. LACchain is a pan-regional blockchain program across 12 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. They claim LACchain can support stablecoins and currency, fiat-backed stablecoins that support interbank payments. So you guys can see Quant is developing a lot. It is having these huge partnerships with Bank of England, with countries in Latin America and Caribbean and elsewhere. It is developing at a tremendous pace, basically. So the question is, does the effort of Quant undermine Ripple whatsoever? Are they rivals? Is Ripple's dominance going to be shaken by Quant? Or on the contrary, they are going to be complementing each other. This is what we are going to be heading at in the final stretches of this video. So make sure, if you're liking this video, make sure to subscribe and like it. Anyways, let us check this out. Okay, Quant is having its partnership with the Bank of England. Ripple has been ahead of its time in terms of having multiple partnerships with, check this out, Bank of England and Bank of America. It is the second largest bank in the USA in terms of asset value, and one of the top 10 banks in the world. So basically, XRP has been doing this since a very, very long time. So Standard Chartered Bank, UK, you can see this. Ripple reveals 8 countries building CBDCs on XRP ledger. So it is building a platform. In May 2023, XRP announced a new venture in the realm of digital finance, the launch of a central bank digital currency CBDC platform. This dynamic platform empowers central banks, governments, and financial institutions to take charge of their digital currency issuance, distribution, and management. So there are multiple currencies involved in this. CBDCs on XRPL, Republic of Palau, Russia, Montenegro, Uruguay, Hong Kong, Japan, New Zealand, UAE. And it is astonishing, impressive, even though the new ledger was launched just 3 months ago, over 8 countries are already building CBDCs on XRP ledger, blockchain news aggregator Crypto Geek revealed on August 19. So you guys can see that Ripple is paving its own path and trajectory. On the other hand, Quant is paving its own path as well. So, in my opinion, they both are complementing one another, and they both are required in their own sectors. Quant being a blockchain agnostic, they're doing interoperability, they're connecting legacy system with the modern systems, the blockchain technology, and the various blockchains. Ripple being the best cross-border payment settlement system, so Quant is going to be using XRP on the contrary, and XRP might be using Quant's technology for interoperability and whatnot. So check this out. Ripple has been working with CBDCs since a long time as well. Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the de facto central bank. It is also working with Taiwan's Fubon Bank. So what my point is, they both have their own trajectories, and Ripple has been active since a very, very long time in the space, so they are integrated well ahead of the game, ahead of the competition since a very long time. The ledger technology, issuer, operator, and user wallets, and it is also a part of the standard ISO body. Many claim that QNT is not technically ISO 20022 compliant, but many claim otherwise. They say that it meets the standards and the security of ISO 20022 coins. So we can call them both ISO compliant. So you can have your own opinions regarding that. But I cover both of them in the ISO 20022 series videos. Anyways, this is what this video is heading towards: XRP and Quant, a match made in crypto heaven. So are they rivals or are they complementing each other? That was the question, and in my opinion they're both going to be extremely necessary to put the pressure on the regulators, the financial institutions, to take blockchain technology and cryptocurrency seriously. They are both huge giants of the crypto world. We need such giants to stay ahead and lead the way towards the new utility wave in crypto space. Anyways, check this out. Quant and XRP are two cryptocurrencies that can complement one another in a number of ways. While Quant is a blockchain-based platform that encourages interoperability across various blockchains and networks, XRP is mostly used for international payments. By incorporating XRP into the Quant ecosystem, companies and individuals may accomplish revolutionary things and spur growth in future valuation of both cryptocurrencies. The world of cryptocurrency evolves at such a breakneck pace that we are asked to continuously assess the availability of even the most okay. We're not interested in that. We're interested in what is Quant and why should we care. Okay, you might know what Quant is. That is why you're watching this video. You know what XRP is. So let us move ahead. If you guys do not know, pause the video and check this out. What is XRP? What is Quant? So how can Quant benefit from interacting with XRP? One potential use for Quant is to incorporate XRP into its network to help facilitate global payments. Quant in that scenario would provide a method for businesses and individuals to send and receive payments via different networks and in different currencies. All of that would be accomplished without utilizing on the traditional banking system. Businesses and consumers would greatly benefit from this through the quickening, reducing, and streamlining of cross-border transactions. Another way that Quant and XRP might cooperate is through smart contracts. The specifics of the agreement between the buyer and seller are immediately written into lines of code with smart contracts. The beauty of these agreements is that they would, in theory, self-fulfill. These contracts can be used to automate a broad variety of operations, from simple payments to complex financial instruments. With the help of Quant's Overledger platform, this is important, creating smart contracts that can communicate with a variety of networks and blockchains, as well as other legacy financial institutions, is entirely possible. By incorporating XRP into these smart contracts, developers might create automated payment systems that can manage international payments in real time. This would be especially useful for businesses that operate worldwide and have recurring payments to partners or suppliers. So how can XRP benefit from interacting with Quant? There is no doubt that it might be advantageous for XRP to join the Quant ecosystem as well. The fact that XRP can interact with numerous blockchains may increase its usefulness and level of acceptance. For instance, dApps developed on the Quant network might accept XRP as payment, and it might be crucial. XRP would be crucial for Quant because it would be the world bridge currency for settlements. The entire ISO20022 ecosystem depends on XRP in one way or another. Providing XRP with a new use case outside of its already firmly established cross-border payment capabilities could increase demand for the coin. And even when we read that Quant is triggering the cross-border structure, they would complement each other in that sphere as well. What are some ways that both XRP and Quant can simultaneously benefit? In addition to these suggested use cases, there are more ways that Quant and XRP could cooperate if both coins were listed on the same exchange. For instance, both coins could invariably benefit. This would in turn improve the liquidity of both coins and make it easier for people to purchase and exchange them. This increased demand would be an especially powerful event for XRP, who many have been raising questions regarding its long-term survivability. No, I do not think there are any questions as to the survivability of XRP. ask SEC regarding that. They can answer it vigorously and emphatically. So you can ask them. XRP is here to stay, in my opinion, not financial advice, obviously. So, what are the hurdles that XRP and Quant face about a future working together? So, what are the hurdles and the problems or blockades? Of course, there are challenges involved with combining Quant and XRP. Regulatory ambiguity is a major impediment because both coins operate in a constantly evolving regulatory framework. Because they claim that the regulatory environment is going to might make it difficult for them to work together, but in my opinion, they can work around that easily because both have fundamental, awesome teams, impressive teams. Furthermore, connecting many blockchains and networks poses technical challenges. They can fix it anyways. So as you guys can see, as the question was concerned regarding is Quant challenging the dominance of XRP. On the contrary, I believe both of them are required for taking crypto space, the crypto market to the next level, to mainstream towards mass adoption. They both are one of the best companies, one of the best giant crypto projects that are there for the long run. They have a long-term vision, and obviously they're going to overlap in many sectors and areas. But that doesn't mean that they would be one would be dominating other, and the other won't survive and whatnot. So, in my opinion, they are both important for the crypto space going forward. And no, Quant is not challenging the dominance of XRP whatsoever. XRP has its own pedestal, a place in the crypto space, and Quant is working to make its own place as well. And it is making headways, and it is working a lot, and it is grinding as well. So both are extremely important in my opinion, obviously not financial advice. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe the channel, like and share. And if you're interested in any of these coins as well, make sure to subscribe the channel as well, because we make regular videos every day. Most probably, if illness doesn't take me or overtake me somehow. Anyways, so like we always say in the end, until next time, stay tuned and stay blessed.